Action.
Hi! Welcome to another fun and friendly nature adventure. Here today I have a special guest, Dirty J. Hello! Today we're going to focus on making a potato cannon out of nature.
Nature provides everything you need.
Right. Oh, look at this. Quick! Quick!
Look right here!
Here we have nature's natural potato cacti. Come here, Dirty J. Let me show you.
Here, you need a knife to cut one of them off.
Oh, yeah. Would you mind cutting one of these wonderful nature potato cacti off? These are key. We really need these. Careful.
Oh, really tender tight. Gotta be careful they don't prick you.
Yeah, gotta be real careful
there
with
we
these.
go.
These spikes here are very, very poisonous. They can be a real detriment to your life.
There you go, mate.
Oh, that's a wonderful specimen. And when did you hold on to that?
Oh, I got you.
Oh, look, we found yourself some plunger. These are really rare. They grow in nature. They're also great for cleaning off your spaces when you're sleeping. These are one of nature's finest things you can find. It's a nature plunger broom. Very, very rare. You gotta be delicate that we put it back so other nature animals can use this wonderful tool. So, oh, Dirty J, what's that over there?
It's a whole potato cannon rock.
Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Look at the size of it. Now,
This one's been here for a while, hasn't it?
Yeah, hold on. Good little.
Oh, tight like a tiger's.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's even got a little ignition button for it.
Oh, that's a mature one, it is.
This is a great potato launcher rock. Dirty J.
Oh, would you look at that? It comes pre-made with an Aquanet can. The perfect propellant for shooting a potato.
Oh, here you go, Dirty J. I'm gonna go check something else real quick.
All right. Hello, Chad. You don't talk much, but that's all good. Fun and games. I need your help to launch me a potato. Oh, yes, that's right. It's been a minute. I've been out of the game for a minute.
Gotta be real careful. Gotta plunge that potato in there real nice.
Potato's got a lot of girth. I'd say about 17 girth units. The more girth, the better.
Absolutely.
Snug, tight fit.
Yeah. All right.
Alright, here you go, mate. I'll hold it like so. Ready when you are. Alright. Yeah!
It doesn't seem like it worked very well. Maybe you should reload, grab another potato, and see how it goes.
Hang on there.
Yeah. Be careful now, those spines are very poisonous.
Oh, he plucked it out. Such skill.
Make sure you pick all the spines out of there.
I think you're good, mate. Yeah. Let's see, mate. Yeah, I'll be good, mate. I'll be good. Before I use a different amount of hairspray. All right, round 2. Should be good. Ready? Oh, fine specimen it is.
Excellent! Nice!